Wow! Imagine having a delicious meal that will also reduce your body fat. Are you surprised? Don't worry, we got you covered. Please, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have you ever heard of the herb called cloves? Yes, I mean cloves. Cloves, if added to your food recipe, will help improve your body metabolism and in return help your body break those fats quickly so they don't accumulate in your body. Sure, we all know that metabolism is directly related to weight loss, don't you? Today we will guide you on how you can use cloves for your white rice recipe to enhance the taste and add more nutrients. We are combining this amazing nutrient-filled white rice with a delicious Chinese chicken and vegetable stir fry. Yummy! Wow! Look at how beautiful this recipe came out. Oh, I wish you were here to have a taste. Don't worry, I know you're going to try this recipe at home. Please note that you can also use cloves for other recipes that will be coming up on this channel soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching today's episode. See you on the next one. Danke. Tschüss.